Have you ever tried to run a JavaScript project on your PC and your terminal just hits you with Node is not recognized as an internal or external command? That's probably because you forgot to install Node.js. But don't worry, I got you. In this quick and easy video, I'm gonna show you how to install Node.js on your Windows 11 PC the right way. No confusion, no drama. First things first, let's check if Node is already sneaking around on your system. Open up your command prompt, type the following in CMD. You'll probably get a message like, Node is not recognized, yep, no Node here. If you get the same message, that's double confirmation, no Node, no NPM. Let's fix that. Open your favorite browser. Type in search bar, Node.js download. Click on the official Node.js website. It's usually the first result, the one that looks clean and green. Now, scroll down a bit and look for the offline installer, super useful if your internet's doing the hokey pokey. Click the button that says a Windows installer. It should match your system, 64-bit for most of us. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file. Next. Click Next to agree to the terms. Next. 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 And finally install. Boom! Node.js is now installed on your PC. Let's check if it worked. Look at that! You should see something like version 22.18.0 or whatever version is latest. And there's our NPM version too. Perfect! Let's take Node for a spin, shall we? Create a new folder anywhere, name it something like Node, and open it in Visual Studio Code. Create a new file, call it nodetest.js, and write this in it. Now, open the terminal in VS Code. And then go to the menu bar and choose Run. Run without debugging. If it asks what environment to use, click on Node.js. And just like that, your message shows up in the terminal. And that's it! Node.js is now fully installed and ready to roll on your PC. If this helped, be sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.